Open your desk drawer right now and pull out a ruler. Go on, look at it. Before the zero, before the first tick mark even starts, there's a strip of dead space. No numbers, no lines, just nothing. On a wooden ruler, on a steel one, on the cheap plastic one from your school days, it's always there. Most people have used a ruler 1,000 times and never once asked why that gap exists. You'd think a measuring tool would want every millimeter to count. Precision is the entire job description. So why would the people who engineer these things deliberately waste space? Stick with me, because this wasted strip is actually doing 3 separate jobs at once, and once you know them, you'll never see a ruler as a boring tool again. This is Good Pop, where we find the hidden engineering hiding in plain sight. Here's the thing nobody thinks about. A ruler doesn't live in a lab. It lives in a backpack. It gets dropped on tile floors, jammed into pencil boxes, dragged across desks, chewed on by bored 10-year-olds. And every single one of those collisions happens at the edge. Now imagine the zero mark sat right there, at that battered edge. One chipped corner, one worn down tip, and suddenly, your zero isn't zero anymore. Every measurement you ever take with that ruler is now permanently off, and you'd never know it. So engineers pulled the zero line back, away from the danger zone. That gap isn't wasted material, it's a crumple zone. A sacrificial buffer that can get scratched, dented, and worn down for years, while the actual measuring line underneath stays untouched and accurate. But wear and tear from your hands is only half the story. The second reason starts long before the ruler ever reaches you on the factory floor. Picture a production line pumping out thousands of rulers an hour. The scale is printed first in bulk on huge flat sheets. Then, a blade slices each one down to its final size. Now ask yourself, how do you cut a blade exactly on top of a printed line at high speed, thousands of times a minute, without ever slicing through the zero mark itself? You basically can't, not perfectly, not every time. So manufacturers build in forgiveness. That blank margin is a tolerance buffer, a zone where the blade is allowed to be slightly off. If the cut drifts a fraction of a millimeter, it just eats into empty space instead of destroying the actual scale. It's a manufacturing shortcut disguised as empty space, cheap insurance that keeps quality consistent across a million identical units. There's a third layer to this, and it's less about physics and more about psychology. Hand a ruler to a small child for the first time and watch what they naturally do. They don't hunt for a zero. They just push the physical end of the ruler against whatever they're measuring. It's instinct. Edge meets edge. That blank gap quietly corrects the mistake before it happens. It creates a visible pause between where the ruler ends and where the counting actually starts. No instructions needed, the design itself teaches the lesson. This isn't a modern trick either. Drafting and engineering manuals from over a century ago already show this same margin, meaning some of the earliest precision tool designers had already worked out that a good measuring tool should teach its own rules. So which explanation is the real one? Wear protection, manufacturing tolerance, or user error prevention? Here's the actual answer. It's all three stacked into a single design decision. That's what separates genuinely good engineering from decoration. One small feature quietly solving 3 unrelated problems at the same time. The wasted space on ruler isn't wasted at all. It's a shock absorber, a factory safety net, and a silent instructor, all packed into less than a centimeter of nothing. And once you notice it on a ruler, you start noticing the same trick everywhere: the blank border around a stamp, the untouched margin on a printed page, the buffer zone at the start of a tape measure. Deliberate nothing is one of engineering's most underrated tools. That's the story hiding in the most boring object in your pencil case. If this changed how you look at your next ruler, hit like and subscribe for more hidden engineering hiding in plain sight.